Hey man, the shoe is finally in, bruh, and I have not actually looked at the sneaker, but just looking at the box, looking at the presentation, everything like that. Hey, these things are looking a-okay to me, bro. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, DeVintage, bro. Like I said, man, we bring you guys some more early content, some more early looks. But one shoe you guys probably won't see me have for a while is the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. Just because I already have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, I just don't want to go out there and pay no crazy prices for something that I already have. You know, it is a remastered look. The leather is smoother, it ain't tumble. You know, it's a lot of different complaints around that sneaker. So why rush and, you know, pay a crazy price when I can just show you guys the 2018 pair, you feel me? So I'm just thinking methodically. I'm just thinking smart, you know what I'm saying, financially in terms of getting them things early because people want a pretty penny for them guys. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, notification bell for your boy, and please follow it up with a huge like, bro. We need the likes up, especially on this video, man. We bring you guys an early banger, and you guys see what we have, bro. We have no other than the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes, and I told y'all the box is crazy. All right, so since we already showed y'all what we got, man, we got them in hand. Again, I have to hit y'all with some 360. I have not seen the shoe yet. I just want to reiterate that. I have not seen it yet, but the box, man, check it out. Got Michael Jordan up front with the sneakers over his shoulder. The infamous photo that we all been talking about since I think it was like 89 or 8, I don't know the year, but it was a long time ago. Of course, you guys see the Air Jordan actually on the side. It ain't a Wings logo, which is crazy. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it. And this is gonna be one of them cases where somebody even commented in another video. They said, bro, I like the box. I like the presentation more than the sneaker, and that's the wrong answer, bro. That's the wrong thing. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway. Air Jordan Retro High OG, white, black, varsity red, and sale. And I got these things in size 9.5. So I'm like, yo, am I gonna keep this pair? Who knows, bro? I don't think I am. But just in case I wanted to, I did snag my pair in that size 9.5. Check it out, man. 360 again on the box. You see it. Y'all like, man, forget the box. Somebody commented and said, bro, you like the box over the shoes. You crazy. She didn't even get them. But they forget what we here for, man. We here for you guys. We're here to show you guys these sneakers. And enough talking. Without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. You see the bottom of the lid right there. And just look how young he look, bro. It's crazy. Look at him now. That boy looking old, man. So let's go ahead and get into the box and already see the sneaker. I already see them. Check them out. We have no other than the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined, guys. And I know, bro, I'm already knowing what everybody's going to comment. They're going to say, I do not like the Air Jordan on the side. And trust me, guys, trust me, I am right there with you. I don't know if it came with any extra laces. Let me check the inside. Last time I unboxed the I forget what shoe I unboxed. I did forget to pull out the laces. You guys were like, yo, where the laces at? But they already came laced up, so I didn't even peep that. So it come with the red and black laces already equipped in them, and I have them in hand, bro. We have them in hand. I want to show you guys the tissue paper real quick before I get sidetracked. You got Michael Jordan on there. A couple other, you know, photo shoots that he did with these black toes with the Air Jordan on the side. But we can throw the box to the side and check these out, man. And I still feel the same way, man. And I'm not trying to be a hater. I ain't trying to create no crazy controversy. But yo, like, what are we doing, bro? This shoe would have been perfect with the aged midsole, with the nice leather on these guys. All you had to do is throw the Wings logo on the side, man. This would have been perfect. Nike almost perfected this Air Jordan 1 Black Toe. We all have been waiting for an OG black toe for a very, very, very long time, man. Go ahead and show you guys the left sneaker real quick. And I almost forgot that it does have Michael Jordan. I think it's his signature that says, my very best. And it has Michael Jordan's signature underneath there, as you guys can see. But like I said, man, the whole shoe is dope, bro. It's a dope shoe because it's the black toes. And what really pops off for me is the sail midsole. But the thing that's taking away all the credit, bro, is this Air Jordan, bro. Am I pushing it too hard? Am I stretching? I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know what it is about this Air Jordan on the side, man, but I am not rocking with it at all. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section, bro. How are you feeling them? How you liking them? Are you going to be snagging these things? Are you going to be adding to the collection? Because I know it's a lot of people that didn't get the black toes back in 2016 when they're released. And then we got, of course, the black toe lows. I think I have a pair around me somewhere. Yeah, here we go, right here. We have the black toe lows. And then I believe, even before that, we got these. We got the satin joints. We got the satin black toes before, you know, anything else when it comes to the black toe lows and stuff like that. And I think we also got another pair of black toes in the Air Jordan 1 silhouette, but I think it was like a SE or something like that. Bam, man, check them out. Instead of having, you know, saying the regular OG cut for the lows, you got the Wings logo on the back and the Jumpman on the tongue mat. So I love the black toes. You guys can see, man, I have almost every pair besides the 2016 pair. And then we come all the way to 2024 and Jordan decides to go crazy with it. They just decide to go all the way to its roots and throw the infamous Air Jordan on the side, bro. Like, you guys gotta leave me know in the comment section, bro. How are you rocking with it? Do you like it? Are you loving it? I gotta see you guys' thoughts and honest opinions over these guys right here. I definitely feel like this is gonna be one of the ones that do sneak and sell out, but definitely won't be nothing crazy on the resale market. We just seen what happened with the Royal Reimagined. You guys seen, man, nobody liked them. But I do believe that these right here, since it is a black toe, since it is quote unquote true PE, you know what I'm saying, in a sense, when it comes to black toes, Jordan had it over his, you know, over his shoulder. People are going to try to find some way to make themselves cop the shoe, but I don't think it's going to affect the resale as much. You know, some people think that because it's a black toe, they're going to go for crazy numbers. But right now, they're currently only going for like 2 something right now on Golden StockX. You might even find somebody selling these things for like $250, a little bit closer to the release date. So I lied to you guys. I honestly did lie a little bit. I, you know, jumped the gun. But on GOAT, they're going for like 300 right now. But again, bro, we still a whole month before the drop. They drop October the 18th. So just give it a little bit of time, and they definitely going to you know, dwindle down in the resale value when we do get closer to the October 18th release date. But I'm looking, bro. They up there, bro. It's up there. And I'm not too sure on how long it will stay that high. But again, bro, we still a month prior to the release date. So don't even worry about it, man. Stay calm, stay tuned for the drop. And I'm pretty sure we might see a shock drop on these, given the backstory, given the history of this sneaker, given the significance of this colorway. Jordan hold him on the shoulder. Nike is going to push this one. They're going to, you know what I'm saying, force this one down everybody's throat. This is one of the ones that's kind of going to rebound it when it comes to the Reimagined line. This year, they've been doing okay, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? We got the Reimagined Brand 4s, and then we got these joints right here. And we also, or we were supposed to get the Reimagined 3s, the blacks and mints, but they changed to a remastered series. So, you know, it is what it is, man. I definitely think that in terms of the Air Jordan 1 colorway and what they did with it, they did an awesome job. You know what I'm saying? The details, Michael Jordan's signature over there, my very best, all that crazy stuff, sell midsole, giving it an age look. I just feel like if they would have kept the Wings logo on there, and y'all gonna be tired of hearing me say this, if they would have kept the Wings logo on the side, bro, they would have been perfect, bro. I'm telling y'all. And you guys already know what's coming, bro. You knew it was coming. Which Reimagined do you like more, bro? Is it the black toes or is it the Chicago Lost and Founds? I am very, very interested in seeing you guys take. You might be surprised on what you see in the comment section, man. So please do not be triggered if you see people taking the black toes, or if you understand the black toes, if you see people taking the Chicago's, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Nike has a lot of options when it comes to the Air Jordan 1s, especially those, you know, true OG colorways, you feel me? So stay tuned, stick around. You never know what's gonna happen. 2025 is stacked with releases. And again, bro, people are already loving these joints right here. Me, on the other hand, I ain't feeling the Air Jordan logo. I told you, I'm gonna keep reiterating that to you guys, because my energy has not changed at all when it comes to that Air Jordan on the side, man. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. I know the comments gonna be crazy. I'm responding to every single comment, man. So make sure you drop a comment or two down below. Again, man, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. With all that being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna get you guys in next video, man. Peace.